Satoshi Nakamoto, you are a man that speaks Japanese.
Yeah.
You just looked up, I don't know, the root word or
I looked at the characters.
the characters, the Japanese characters.
Satoshi. Mm-hmm.
And what was the derivation of that?
So I always remembered Nakamoto. Nakamoto is like coming from a field.
Yeah.
Right. And the characters are, would be into, or Naka is in the center of, in the middle of. Moto is like field.
Yeah.
And I didn't remember what the meaning of Satoshi was, or what the Chinese characters were related to it, because they use the Hanmun or Hanja, or as they say it in Chinese, but it would be kanji in Japanese.
Mm-hmm.
And the kanji character for it for Satoshi means wisdom.
Mm.
So wisdom inside or from the field, the unified field, which I think is a fascinating name when you think about what Bitcoin actually is. And that now it can link all the way back to the simplicity of the beauty of the wisdom from the field. That's kind of mind-blowing.
That is beautiful, especially considering that Bitcoin has energized such a philosophy around it. All right, and philosophy, Philia Sophia, the love of wisdom.
Mm-hmm.
And Satoshi Nakamoto's name, I've never heard this before. It's the first I'm hearing it, but wisdom from the field.
Yeah, it's mind-blowing, actually. I'm like still trying to grok it, to be honest. It's like, because the implications, every time someone says, oh, I sent you a Satoshi, it's like I sent you a wisdom. I freaking love it.
The other thing I saw was the word sat, actually, is the Sanskrit word for truth.
Mm-hmm, like
So
Sadhguru. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so like sats are units of truth in a way.
Units of truth.
Yeah.
That's right. So it also has that similar meaning. Wisdom is truth in a way. Right? It's being able to see the various aspects. And I used to collect facts in my life, F-A-C-T.
Okay.
And then I realized over time that I was merely collecting facets. That my perspective was only one facet. Maybe I could see 2 or 3 facets of truth. But if I really wanted to be able to see the full truth of something, I had to be able to see and maybe sum up the collective aspects of all the subjective possible perspectives of that. You have a crime that happens on a road somewhere and 30 eyewitnesses see it. Mm-hmm. Then they go to the court and they testify what they saw. And everyone's stunned when they all have different versions of the story.
Right. Of course.
Because we don't see the world as it is, we see it as we are.
Yes.
So there's these hidden little gems all over the place, like Satoshi Nakamoto, which is literally the wisdom from the field, the unified field of consciousness. Wow, that's a mind blower. I'm literally trying to grok that still.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, click here to find more just like it, and here to find our most recent episode. Also, make sure to like this video to help shine light on the corruption of money, and be sure to subscribe to this channel to stay connected.